Every 96 seconds, a home in the US catches fire. By the time this video ends, it's happened again, all because standard smoke detectors don't trigger until the fire has already taken over, putting you, your family, and property at immediate risk. That's why I built Project Argus, an autonomous tracking turret that monitors any living area 24/7. Running on a Raspberry Pi and an ESP32, it scans for fire using machine learning to physically log onto the fire and detect it with the pan tilt mount. It alerts your phone the moment it all starts while also functioning as a standard security camera. Argus avoids cloud based AI privacy risks by processing video locally on its Raspberry Pi. To stay locked on the frame, Argus uses an active controlled feedback loop to continuously move the servos until the displacement from the center is zero. Additionally, when Argus identifies a flame, it outlines it with a blue bounding box labeled fire. Using this box, it applies differential calculus to track the rate at which its area changes over time. A stationary candle maintains a stable box area, yielding a derivative near zero and preventing false alarms. But if that blue box begins to expand rapidly, the positive derivative activates a hazard, instantly alerting your phone minutes before traditional smoke detectors ever trigger. Finally, everything is saved to the Raspberry Pi local SD card, which means homeowners can save upwards of $50,000 on insurance claims because they have evidence. Thank you for listening to Project Argus, and all my sources will be in the description.